Good morning. First day of Camaro Fest was fun. No racing, but today we go to the track. It's the first day to actually hang out and do some racing. There'll be some autocross and some drag racing. We're gonna head out, and we're not racing today, but we're getting ready to leave. And it's hot already. It's 7:40 in the morning, so we're gonna head on out and start the day. Let's get to it. So we're driving on the way to the event, and we are in rural Kentucky here. We got some beautiful scenery, a nice country road with a whole bunch of Camaros getting ready to pull in. And this is the entrance here to Beach Bend Park. And as you can see ahead of us there, it's Camaro after Camaro after Camaro after Camaro after Camaro. Shared passion for a car that you love, all in the same spot.
Oh, the bear is behind us.
No, it's not that.
Why are they beeping? Yes, it is. That's Jeff.
Oh yeah, it is. I'm like, who's honking at me acting like a Mustang owner? What's going on?
Man, good morning.
Dude.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
Yes, it is, man. Beautiful.
This is about where we got to last year on Saturday when I came. Cause I came down Friday night.
Oh, right.
We pulled in Saturday, the exact same spot.
Okay. Hey, girlie. How are you? Oh, good.
Good morning.
Is it recording?
Yeah, baby.
What's up?
They're just not letting people in yet.
Mooch Life, baby.
Yeah, the gates actually open at like 8, then it'll start.
Alright, this is line. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful line. It's full of GM pushrod V8s and V6s. All kinds of good stuff. So, hot as balls. What's up? That's Barry the Camaro on Instagram right there.
What
She's
up,
got
yo?
hyper blue metallic Pro Charger.
Yep.
Yeah, fast. It's fast. I actually raced her boyfriend in her car last year at this event, and got my ass whooped, of course. So, but still a fun time. There it is, Shock CL1, baby. I know it like matches. Matches. Look, there it is. It's pretty damn close, isn't it?
Hey, can you just jump right at mine?
So this is the Chevrolet setup here with all the newest and latest and greatest. There's a 2020 face upgrade. Yeah. Well, that was awesome right now. The Chevrolet people just came in and they got the face upgrade for 2020s rolling in. They got a couple shocks, so we'll definitely be checking that out. Everybody's gonna give us a stink eye because we're cutting, but since we got the vendor pass here, we're gonna take care of business. So. And Beach Bend Park here has got a roller coaster and some water rides, so that's pretty cool. But we're not here for that.
There's that shock.
Yep. The GM Performance team in full effect here. 2 shocks. The ZL1 and I believe the other one was an SS. I can't remember because I was all excited. And they got the 2020 facelift that's here that I actually spoke to his name's Jim. I forget his last name. Jim Callahar. He's one of the top executives with the Camaro program. And I told him last fall at the fall classic for the Northeastern Ohio Camaro Club that I'm a member of, when they had the 19s on display there, and he asked me what I thought of the front ends, and I told him the flow tie that they put in the middle of the grill on the 19 does not look right. It looks out of place. That black piece of the grill should be color matched. So right here to our left is the prepping lanes to get into the autocross course. You can see in there all the cones set up. So we'll get some footage of that. Like I said, we're not doing any of it because I'm driving to Florida and Nashville. I don't want to risk messing the car up because we don't have a trailer or a truck with us, and we are 8 hours from home. It could potentially mess with our vacation, so we're not willing to do that. But we'll get a cool perception from other people racing, you know. We can spectate on camera, it's fine. Mrs. Mooch.
Hi.
Come here. Look at the Camaro on your boobies. On your boobies. On your boobies. Okay. So we got away from the drag strip a little bit, but obviously you can still hear them back there because they're loud and proud, baby. But we ventured over 100, 200 yards yonder, and we are now at the autocross track. So let's show you what's going on in there. Oh, here we go. Let's check this one out real quick.
Twice? That's the second time.
damn home. Squatted hard. So right behind me here, MRR wheels. Go check them out here. Look pretty cool.
All right.
Look like pretty nice wheels. Check them out. And then over here, we got RotoFab. Got the fastest cooled air intake in the business. Different products here they offer.
You can take all the pictures you want, but you have to eat some donuts while you're here.
Oh, no way. I cannot eat a donut. I eat too much.
Right?
I rock out there.
Dude,
Look for that I rock.
Muchacho found there's a third gen over there.
That's right.
They'll give her the information to get all that, you know.
17 horsepower to the wheel. 17 horsepower to the wheel on an LS3.
This number, when you call this number, is going to be okay. No problem. Thank you.
All right, the time's come. We are heading up to the staging lane. We're getting ready to run the Supermod. Loud noises. Supermod class. And my boy Joe, he's Bearded 1LE on Instagram. Go check him out. It's the Bearded ZL1, and you know, he's got a pretty cool car here. So he's getting ready to run. I'm gonna roll with him here. We're gonna hang out and have a good time. So Bearded 1LE, right? Wait, yeah, Bearded. Oh shit! Keep saying 1LE.
Oh, ZL1, bro.
Scratch that. Okay. Okay. We're getting ready to race. I got my boy from Indianapolis, Joe, Bearded ZL1. Go check him out on Instagram. It's loud. We got the track right behind us. So yeah, we're gonna hop in the car and roll up to the staging lanes here. So let's pop in the car and go for a little journey. You ready, brother?
Ready, man.
You focused. You focused and determined.
We're gonna go work on this reaction time.
All right. Let's jump in this shit. Wait. What the hell, dude? Wait. I don't understand right now. Oh. How am I supposed to get in the car?
What's the matter? Oh,
You don't have a seat.
I thought you was tall, so I gave
All
you
right,
extra.
well, we'll
extra
make it
room.
happen. Dude, you know what you could do? You could get a girl in here. You can have a good time. Like, look at this.
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Hera, Montana. Look, dude, look, I'm literally laying down in the car right now. Like, check this out. Like, my head's on the back seat. No, all you gotta do is get your woman in here, and yeah, go park. So what are you gonna run, Beard? Are you gonna
There goes Guitar Brigade.
Oh, what'd he run?
956, it looked like.
956. Alright. I feel like a midget. Look, I'm below, my head is below the sill, the door. Oh yeah. See, he shuts
Coast
the car
action.
off. Get a little wind in the motor. Cool her off before we make the run.
Keep her cool. Hoping to get the 10-3.
10-3, that's the goal, folks. So, I'm sure everybody who sees this video knows anything about racing at all. Maybe some of you don't, but the seat is out because of weight reduction, right? weight slows your car down. So get rid of the seat. Save, what do you think that seat was like 50 pounds, right?
They told me 53 pounds.
Wow, 53 pounds. That's like, you know, a baby in a big shit. And Barry the Camaro.
With no fucking seat in there.
Yeah, I'm looking good in here.
We ain't playing around today.
Yeah.
This ain't for fun.
Yeah. This is for all the marbles. Here's another move you can do besides saving weight is keeping the engine cool. A lot of people put ice on the engine, but what we're doing right now is we're actually pushing the car up the lane. And what that does, obviously, is the engine isn't running. So because it's not running, it's less heat. And too much heat slows your car down as well. So that's what we're doing here. We're hooking our boy bearded ZL1 up with the little push around.